Keep your business clean and inviting with professional help from your friends at Floor Pro. A clean lobby and office space sets the tone for your customers, helping them to feel more comfortable and safe. Spotless cleaning starts from the ground up. Our experts are IICRC certified, ensuring your space is cleaned and kept to the highest standard. Our team will assess your property and provide the best solution for your space. Professional-grade equipment and safe cleaning solutions bring out even the most stubborn dirt and dust. We will gladly bring your area rugs back to our facility for personalized cleaning to extract the toughest stains and dirt buildup. Your tile and grout is cleaned with care, providing special attention to every detail until the original color shines through. And your upholstery is no exception. A thorough cleaning ensures the upholstery is fully sanitized and brought back to the life it once had. Whether your business needs regular maintenance services or a one-time deep cleaning, Floor Pro is there quickly and professionally. Floor Pro was born out of a passion for cleanliness and concierge service. We're here to keep your office as clean and inviting as it can be. Call Floor Pro today to request a quote for your business cleaning needs.